so I believe this is very significant, to being contributed into the industry, because when you take a look at international carriers and things like that, I mean, they fly out of their region of the greatest capability. Like if you're going from the U.S. into the Asia Pacific region, or if you're going up in north and south through the region, you're always flying long distances into areas where the services maybe aren't necessarily available. And so I think it's very significant that you, as Singapore Engineering, are providing these capabilities, to companies that need this, and they're not having to go out and build new facilities or new capabilities, and you're offering these kind of capabilities. And actually, there are not that many organizations that are providing these kind of capabilities. Listen, I know you know this. We've met in the past, but I've traveled to Singapore, multiple times in the last couple of years, and I've seen the facilities, and I've seen the engine overhaul facilities. I've seen the component management facilities. I've seen the line maintenance capability and the hangar maintenance capability, and I'm very impressed. I personally am impressed to see the scope of abilities that are being made available. And so what I wanted to say is that if you are out there today, and if you're looking at where do I go, to be able to optimize our capabilities in the Asia Pacific region, I really would recommend to people that you reach out to Singapore Engineering and see what you're doing and how that might fit into the strategy of what you're looking for. So, like I said before, we're here at the MRO Americas 2023, and can you tell people how they find you here at the event? Where are you located?
Okay, we are at booth 4604. Please come and see us and have a discussion with us. We'll be more pleased to talk to you and engage you. Thank you.
Yeah, very good. Now listen, if you haven't met with them in the past, or if you haven't been here to have a conversation with them, why not do it? Why not just check it out and see what they do and learn some information? And I think you would find it really extremely valuable. Thank you for the conversation today. I really appreciate it. It was really good. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mark.
Yep. All right.